guys, welcome to my channel, Lower channel. We are making a rainbow food color. What ingredients I need? I need plastic cup, glass, and food colors, and measuring glass, and water, and popsicle sticks, and tissue. Let's start. Now we have plastic cup. Now I'll keeping here, and this one here, and this one outright. Thus, I need to power this one. Now straight. Now let's keep them in. Plus safety. Plus popsicle stick. Here's red. Here's same one. Now, again that one. Orange. Okay, our last one is called green. Keep the yellow one for the last cup. Okay, I'm going to put in water. To put the orange. Now we've done the orange. Now I'm going to put by myself. That much I took for the green. Okay, finally, the last one. I'm holding this now. Let's keep it carefully. Alright. Gently. Now the next one. Now the last one. Now the last one. Now the last one. Guys, you want to go to fridge and have your juice? Colorful juice? It's just okay, just I'm joking. Hold the tissue ready. Now let's keep it in. Really? Hello guys, the colors came back on the tissue absorbed one day. They're like how trees and plants will absorb water for their food. You got it, guys? And their roots. Reaction. Food. Root will absorb water for trees and plants to get food. See you next time for Low Channel, and subscribe on the bell and click the subscribe on my channel. Press my channel. Bye guys.